children, hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay children, today's class we are going to take a next topic, vowel sound of E. Okay children, in the previous classes till now we have completed vowel sound of A. Today's class we are going to see the next vowel sound, that is E. Now say, totally there are how many vowels? Yes, 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. Okay children, shall we start the class? Now see children, what is the vowel sound of E? Yes, E sounds A. E sounds A. Vowel sound of A is A. What is this? Ant is biting. In the previous class itself, I have told you A sounds A. Apple. Ant. Alligator. Axe. Okay. Now today's class we are seeing E. E sounds A. E sounds A. What is this? I am breaking the egg. Egg. Okay. Please listen carefully. Keep this in your mind. A sounds A. E sounds A. Okay. These are short vowels. Okay children. Now see here. See this picture. What is this? Yes. Red color. Now I am going to teach you with the pictures. Start with the letter E, or the letter will come in middle also. Okay children, listen here. What is this? Yes, red color. Spell the word R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. While we are telling, we can say this R-E-D. In pronunciation, we have to say A. Ray. Okay. R-E-D, red. R-E-red, red. Okay. While telling, that is E. While pronouncing, it will become as A. See here, R-E-D, red. Keep on telling. Okay. Keep on say that. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Okay. This is red color. See here. See the next picture. What is this? Yes. Egg. What is this? Egg. Say E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. E-G-G, egg. E sounds egg. Keep on tell that. Egg. Okay children? Hope you all understood. E-G-G, egg. Okay. See the next picture. What is this? Pen. What is this? Pen. Spell the word P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Now say, while we are telling, it will become as E. While we are pronouncing, it will become as A. Pen. Okay children, see the next picture. What is this? Yes, 10. Number 10. Now say T-E-N, 10. T-E-N. See, listen carefully. T-E-N, 10. While we are pronouncing 10. Okay? T-E-N, 10. Okay children, see the next picture. What is this? Yes, bed. What is this? Bed. Spell the word B-E-D. See the picture and spell it. B-E-D. Bed. B-E-D. B-E-D. But bed. While pronouncing, it becomes as bed. Keep this in your mind very clearly. A sounds A. E sounds A. Okay children? See here. Bed. See the next one. What is this? Leg. What is this? Leg. Okay, children, see the next picture. What is this? Yes, leg. What is this? Leg. See here, spell the word L-E-G. Listen carefully. L-E-G. L-E-G. Leg. 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 What is that? Leg. Leg. Okay. You have to keep on practice that by saying, okay children, the next picture, net. What is this? Net. Say N-E-T. Net. N-E-T. Net. N-E-T. Net. I hope you all understood the concept. Vowel sound of E is A. E sounds A. Keep this action. Each letter there is a each sound. Okay. So keep this in your mind very clearly. E sounds A. If suddenly I am saying doing this action means you have to say this is E sound means A. Egg. Okay. While we are telling it is E. While we are pronouncing it will become as A. If it is a red means red. R-E-D. But the pronunciation is red. Okay. See here. What is this? Yes. Red. R-E-D. Red. R-E-D. Red. See the next one. What is this? Pen. What is this? Pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. Okay. The next one. Yes. 10. Number 10. T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. See the next one. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Okay. See the next one. What is this? Leg. What is this? Leg. L-E-G. Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Okay, I hope you all understood children. Now it's time for your writing activity. Now see children, now we are going to see how to write the next group 2 letters. Till now we have come across group 1 letters, the whole group 1 letters and group 2 letter B and D. Today we are going to see H and K in the group 2 letter. Okay children, everyone take your note, take a fresh page, sharp your pencil, put today's date. Have you all taken? See, listen here. The next group 2 letters H and K. Slanting line, curve, standing line, go up in the same line, small curve, touch the second line and come down and small curve. What is this? Group 2 letter H. See here. Slanting line, curve, standing line. Go up in the same line and touch the second line with the curve. And again standing line and small curve. This is group 2 letter H. You have to say and write. Children. See. Slanting line. Curve, standing line, again go up in the same line, touch the second line with the curve and standing line, small curve. Okay, now K. Slanting line, small curve, standing line, go up in the same line and small curve and again slanting line, small standing line, small curve. What is this? K. See here. Slanting line, small curve, standing line, go up in the same line, small curve, touching with the second line and again small standing line and curve. This is group 2 letter K. K for kite. K for kids. See? Slanting line, small curve, standing line, again go up and small curve by touching the second line, again slanting line and small curve. What is this, children? Group 2 letter H and K. Once again listen here. Slanting line, small curve, standing line, go up, and small curve touching the second line and standing line, small curve. You have to say and write like this. Okay, children? Slanting line, small curve, standing line, go up to the same line, small curve, small slanting line and small curve. Okay, this is H and K. Hope you all understood how to write group 2 letter H and K. Please keep practicing these 2 letters each day, each letter. Okay, children, now it's time for your home assignment. Okay, children, I hope you all understood the concept vowel sound of E, that is A. Okay, now it's time for your home assignment. You have to complete page number 150, 151 and 152 in your literacy skills textbook. Okay, children, and writing part, you already know the group 1 letter E. So, write that also in your textbook as well as practice the given group 2 letters H and K. Each letter each day. Practice each letter each day. Like that, keep on practicing this. Okay, thank you all, children.